Guys, we're at Buc-ee's today. We are taking a road trip to Massachusetts. We left yesterday morning. We're going up to see my dad for a few days, my dad and Pat. And then, so right now we're on our way to Massachusetts. We are in where? North Carolina? South Carolina? We don't know. We're somewhere in the Carolinas. But we stopped at Buc-ee's and we got gas and we got some lunch. And ABal got a triple meat barbecue sandwich. It has sausage, turkey, and brisket, I think, with barbecue sauce. And I got a club melt, which is supposed to have like ham, turkey, cheese, and some like sauce on it. I don't know, it looked really good. And I also got just a cup of ice because I got a little coffee right here, and I'm gonna put it in here. So let's do that. Welcome to the channel again. Thanks for tuning in. Probably not gonna upload this video because that's gonna be stupid. But originally we were gonna do this as a mukbang. This is just a black coffee, extra bold nitro cold brew. Ooh. That's extra bold. But ABal didn't want to be in the video, so let's see. We'll eat a couple bites of this thing and see if it's good. I'll show you what it looks like. It's got like a nice soft bun. Oh my god, there's some sort of weird sauce on it. It's like orange. Okay. So turkey, ham, bacon, cheese, and some sauce. I don't know. Buc-ee's is cool though, because like they advertise on billboards like for miles and miles before you get there. If you've never been to a Buc-ee's, they have everything. You can get your gas. You can buy a smoker for like $1,700. A thing for your firewood. It's pretty cool. I don't know. It's good. It's just like meat with... Oh, it's a little spicy. It's pretty good.
You want to try a bite of mine?
Okay. And then let me show them that. ABal got the triple meat... It's going to all fall out.
Yeah, don't.
Sandwich, and it's got like a bunch of pulled pork and sausage and stuff on it. That looks good. It's really good, but it's messy. I was gonna get like a bunch of chips too, but we have a tote full of snacks in the back. We have a lot of stuff. We just got a new car. It's a Telluride, and it's like humongous. It has tons of room. So we packed all of our stuff. So we're headed up to Massachusetts. We're gonna spend like 3 days there. And then we're gonna drive back down to Myrtle Beach, South Carolina, and we're gonna spend almost a week there. And Brittany and Jason are gonna fly in from Kansas, and meet us. And we're gonna have a nice 3 or 4 days with his kids and all of the guys he was in Vietnam with and their wives. Well, not all of them, but some of them. And it's going to be really fun. Myrtle Beach is really beautiful. Like, this is okay, but I don't know about the sauce on it. It's kind of weird. Is that extra? What is this, barbecue?
Mm-hmm.
It smells sweet. It's nice to have a little Buc-ee's on the way because That way you don't have to stop at McDonald's all the time. Or Bojangles. I always watch so many mukbangs on YouTube, and I've never made one, and I've always wanted to make one. So, and I try to get a good thumbnail, but I'm on my cell phone, so. ABal's looking at me like I'm super crazy. I am a little crazy. It's kind of good with this barbecue sauce. Do you want the rest of the sauce? Or chips or anything? I'm so excited to see my dad and Pat. It's been a little bit over a year since I saw them last, but they've gone through a lot this year, and I just can't wait to give them a hug. Hugs, and just, I miss them a lot. And then after we do the time in Myrtle Beach, we're gonna go to back inland a little bit and see my mom. She lives in South Carolina, so we're gonna go from Myrtle Beach, drive a few hours, and see my mom and my sisters, and it's gonna be so nice. So that's our 2 weeks of my time off of work. Shout out to Lexington Country Club. I'll be back in 2 weeks. Leon's in, our chef Leon is in Jamaica with his wife and his baby for a while. So there's a Harley Davidson across the street. Like a dealership or... So far the ride's been really good, smooth. We had a little rain this morning when we left the hotel, but it's pretty good. Ooh, that coffee's really good. How was your sandwich, honey?
It was great. Probably better than yours.
That's good.
Oh.
There's like 2 cute puppies in the car next to us. They're super cute. They have their heads out the window. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be so fun to see all the guys again too. All of his friends and wives, and we get to play trivia. I'm really excited to see Brittany and Jason too. I haven't seen them for a while. He went back to Kansas, what, a month or 2 ago, a couple months ago, for an event they were having out there for Channel 9, and then he got to see the kids then, but I didn't go, so I didn't get to see them. My eyes look so blue in this. These Buc-ee's are so busy. There's always a ton of people. Yeah. You want any chips or anything?
Oh, no thanks. M&M's. I'll wait till we get going.
They're right there. Whatever the sauce that's on this is really spicy.
Oh, yeah.
It's like orange, like mayo or something. It's good though. So my idea was to do this stupid thing, eat our lunch and make a mukbang, but I don't know if we're even gonna upload this video. But it's nice to spend time with my honey. We left a day early. We went, we were supposed to leave this morning, Thursday, really early, and then just get on the road and take 2 nights, 2 days and 3 days and 2 nights, I think, to drive. And then we ended up leaving early. We left yesterday afternoon, so that would have been Monday afternoon. And so we have an extra night on the road. But we're going to get in early, I think, and we don't know where we're going to stay, but we'll figure it out. But we stayed in Kingsland, Georgia last night. And it was nice. The hotel was nice, but we went to a Ruby Tuesday for dinner, and it was just okay. But it was alright. The camera's being held up by a box of bullets. I don't have any other way to hold it up. So, before we go, can we bring us some trash?
Yeah. Yes.
Thanks for watching this stupid mukbang that I made. It's not really a mukbang. I think mukbangs are like where you have a lot of food and you eat in front of the camera and talk, but you have like a lot of food and people can see. This was just a sandwich, so this was have lunch with me. That's all I do is have lunch with me. Okay, well, thanks for watching. It's been nice to see you guys. Hope everybody is doing really good, and we will talk to you in the next video. Thanks. We'll tell you what happens on our trip. Take care. Bye.